I think visually it will be a feast.
Yun po yung impression, but did you also, my last question by the way.
No, you can have 10. You have me for the next 2 hours.
Thank you very much. Yung pong feel sa akin from the beginning ng trailer was because of the theme song, the First Wives Club. Yung, although the characters are only 3, it was like with Bette Midler, with
Tama ba ako may Goldie Hawn yun?
Goldie Hawn, yeah.
I don't remember. Who's the third?
Diane Keaton.
Okay.
So, tatlo sila.
Doon ba nanggaling yung song? I'm sorry, I'm not familiar. Okay. Yung kasi, choice yun ni Direk Chito eh. Yung song.
Pero tinanong ko naman po sa kanila, iba po yung story, because it's from the story of Julia Plaza. Pero yung pong novel po, it was 100% adaptation or just inspired lang?
Okay, kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede. Hirap na hirap ako kasi wala naman dito sumisenyas na huwag mo sabihin. O, di pwede sabihin na marami kasing lumapit na, hahatakin na yung mic from me. No, there are a lot of scenes kasi to thread the movie that really came from the book. Yung actual situations from the book were used as the storytelling tool of Direk Chito to thread the story of the 5 women. But the rules, yun, yung they do come from the book, but they are told in 2015 language. And those rules, paulit-ulit nanggaling sa akin. Ako yung naniniwala that we should obey those rules. We should live by those rules because this is the life na pinasok natin. Huwag na natin dagdagan pa yung kahihiyan.
Sorry po, huli na.
You can have 8 more.
Because I've been a fan of you since I was, umpisa pa po. I know na you're a literature major and this is one literature adapted into a movie. Siguro po, ano po yung itatanong ko sa inyo bilang isang literature major, how do you compare this adaptation to other adaptations that you've seen?
Kasi recently, di ba lahat ng adaptation, Wattpad? Yeah. So, that is fan fiction. Yun. And the term itself is fiction. So this is coming from reality. Without and reality, not a microscopic one that you're choosing just one, but I'd like to think reality na societal. Yung buong society. Yung parang, ang dami naman natin naririnig, di ba, na headline kadalasan sa Inquirer. So, maraming sitwasyon doon na medyo talaga, sasabihin mo, ay, baka siya yung inspiration ito, or baka ito ang nangyari. Yun lang yun. Pero, I'd also like to believe that it's not a condemnation of women. Kasi, yung journey nila is a journey every woman takes. And, maswerte sila because at the end, they had a choice. Not every woman has that choice.
So you're very particular with the language also. You appreciate the language from the book that was adapted into this movie.
Iba yung language kasi the book was in English. Diba? The rules are in English, but of course, the dialogue would have to be, diba? Because it's a Filipino film. Pero, among all the characters, sabi nga ni Sheena, ay, si English department. Kasi ako daw si English department. Kasi, we were supposed to shoot that on the last day, but Direk Chito felt that wag nang i-shoot yung backstory ko. So, natanggal si backstory. So, but the way he had explained it to me was that I did study in a culinary institute in New York. I did come from a well-to-do family. But along the way, while finishing the course, the money dried up. And that's why the rich older man came into the picture. Kasi, in-argue ko to, and I'm sure lahat kayo critics kayo